Spinach is a highly nutritious food that can help improve sexual function in men. It is rich in folate, a nutrient that helps improve blood flow and is essential for male sexual health. Low levels of folate have been linked to erectile dysfunction. Spinach provides almost 80% of the recommended daily value of folate, as well as a good amount of magnesium. These nutrients not only improve blood flow, but may also increase testosterone levels. This may be why Popeye, who is known to eat a lot of spinach, has such big biceps. Sure. Here's a recipe for a spinach dish that you can try at home. Spinach and feta salad. Ingredients: 4 cups fresh spinach, washed and dried. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/4 cup chopped red onion. 1/4 cup sliced almonds. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the spinach, feta cheese, red onion, and almonds. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the spinach mixture and toss to coat evenly. Serve the salad immediately, or refrigerate until ready to serve. This spinach and feta salad is a quick and easy way to enjoy the health benefits of spinach. The feta cheese adds a tangy flavor, and the almonds add a crunchy texture. You can customize the salad by adding your favorite ingredients, such as cherry tomatoes or sliced avocado. Enjoy! There are many benefits to eating spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamins and minerals, including folate, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and magnesium. Spinach is high in antioxidants, which can help protect your body from the damaging effects of free radicals. Spinach is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great choice for weight loss or maintenance. Spinach is a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Spinach is rich in nutrients that may help lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Spinach is high in iron, which is important for carrying oxygen to the body's cells. Spinach is a good source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Spinach is a versatile ingredient that can be added to a variety of dishes, including salads, smoothies, soups, and more.